Did you know that your Ford vehicle may be equipped with SiriusXM that gives you over 150 channels of commercial-free music, plus sports, news, talk, comedy, and entertainment? Let me tell you about it. Vehicles equipped with SiriusXM come with a pre-activated 3-month all-access trial subscription, which includes SiriusXM for your vehicle, plus the ability to enjoy SiriusXM outside of your Ford by streaming online, on your phone by downloading the SiriusXM app, and on select connected devices in your home. Keep in mind, in order to stream SiriusXM, you'll need to set up your account with a username and password online. Now let's talk about how to use some SiriusXM features. To search channels using the touchscreen, first touch Audio, then Sources, then the SiriusXM tile. Then touch the Channels button. A full list of categories will appear. Select the one you want and a list of channels will display. Once you choose a category, you can touch the drop-down menu in the upper right corner to view by channel, artist, or song title. Scroll to the channel you want and touch it. To search channels using voice commands, use the voice button on your steering wheel, wait for the beep, then say Browse SiriusXM, and a full list of categories will appear. Touch the category you want to hear. Once you decide on a channel, press the voice button and then say the channel number, like Channel 2. Or you can use the voice button and just say the name of the channel, like Hits 1, for example, and it will tune to that channel. To tune into a specific channel using the touchscreen, touch the Direct Tune button, then enter the station number using the number keypad and touch here. Replay allows you to listen to up to 44 minutes of previously played content from the current channel. The system will begin storing content once a channel is selected. To replay a song, just tap the Replay button and then the Seek Back button, and it will jump back to the prior song. To jump multiple songs or listen to content farther back, tap the Seek Back button multiple times. To return to real-time content, touch the Replay button again, and it will bring you back to live audio. You can also input preset channels for quick selection. To do so, tune to the channel you wish to save, then touch and hold one of the memory preset buttons. The sound will mute for a brief moment, then resume once the channel is saved. You can save up to 18 SiriusXM channels with 3 pages of presets. To view other saved channel presets and pages, swipe left. Another feature you may appreciate is music notifications, which, when available, notifies you if a specific artist or song you've previously selected is being played on another channel. To set notifications, anytime you hear a song or artist you want to be notified of, touch the bookmark icon here. If your music notifications are off, Sync will ask you if you want to turn them on. Then you can choose either the artist, song title, or both to add them to your notifications list. You'll get a message letting you know they've been saved. Now, anytime that song or artist is being played on any channel, you'll receive a message on your screen asking if you'd like to tune to that channel. To delete a music notification, touch the bookmark icon here, touch Edit, choose the name of the artist or song notification you wish to delete, then press Delete. Or you can choose Delete All. There's also an option that lets you skip channels or lock them out from young listeners. Touch Settings, then touch the SiriusXM tile. Next to Parent Lockout, touch Create PIN to set your PIN. You'll be prompted to enter it twice to confirm. Then scroll down a bit below Parental Lockout to find Locked Channel. Touch Locked Channel to bring up a list of channels, and slide the button next to each channel you want to prevent anyone else from listening to. Just below Locked Channel, you'll see Skipped Channels. Touch that, then scroll through the list of channels and slide the button at the right to automatically have a channel skipped when seeking through the channels. Oh, one more thing. For more information and a list of all available SiriusXM programming, refer to the SiriusXM brochure located in your glove box or visit SiriusXM.com. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.